Let's take this.
Vlog tell you don't. Please don't come commenting.
And that's like that.
Guys, get jobs where I don't work on Saturday, because the whole time I was working I wasn't interested. Anyway, it's my birthday. Hopefully this vlog goes well. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, hi, I hope you're well. Yeah, I have very many things to do. I have to drop my bags, then by looking at me, I have to drop my bags, I have to do my nails, I have to, what else? I have to do my nails, drop my bags. I have like a virtual date. Those who know my situation, you know, I have a virtual date. Then I have a grad party. So yeah, come along with me, spend the day with me. Yeah. You what? The ringtone? Oh, the uniform.
The other one for SFC.
Oh.
Those presidential
It has a nice. They have a nice uniform.
apart from that one, why not you can find a man when he's very smart with clothes and equipment.
They give me Chirozi, how he's in the army, how he does boxing, generally the whole biography. Anyway, I forgot to mention I'm supposed to recurl my hair and what else? Yeah, recurl my hair too. So I'll be in the salon also. Yeah. I'm here to see Rachel. That's what you should know. I'm here to see Rachel. Then I go do my nails and hair. Then I think I'll continue from here. I don't know how this day is going to go. I don't know what this vlog is going to look like. But yeah, we move. Whatever you're doing, relax, because the sun is actually hot. It is hot. Vlog will tell you no, okay? Vlog will tell you no, Hi guys, so I'm very late. I'm actually running really late, but it is what it is. I want to do like a quick get ready with me. Yeah, I want to try and speed it up because, as I said, I'm late. Rachel abandoned me, but she's around. She's around somewhere. If we know, otherwise I want to look like what I don't know. So I'm going to use this time to give you guys a little life lesson. I had this thing of, I don't know, like before, it was like a habit. Before my birthday, I'd really get excited to celebrate. And I'd be like, this is what I want to do. I want to dress up. I want to go out with my friends. Sorry, I keep looking this side. Anyway, I want to go out with my friends and whatnot. And then a few days to my birthday, I would cancel and be like, I'm not feeling it. I'm not. So today, I'm turning 23 today. Praise God. Okay, I'm 16, but yeah. So one of my closest uncles passed away. Yeah, he passed away. He had leukemia. So that has taught me to be more grateful for my life. I really thank God for my friends, my family, my YouTube family. Yeah. So if you're like those people that are like or were like me, and you don't like celebrating your birthday, please celebrate it. At least like do the smallest things. I have a problem where I don't like celebrating myself. I don't know which type of problem that is, but I want to stop that, especially this year, because there's a lot I've actually achieved. Yeah, there's a lot I've achieved, and I don't, yeah, and it's like I've taken it for granted, which I shouldn't be. Anyway, long run short, let's get started. I have my, should I say tools? I'm just trying to hydrate my face, but with this Kampala sun, my makeup comes melting off. Don't ask questions. I don't know what to talk about. So you remember the last time I tried makeup? Yeah, it didn't go very well. Okay, I tried. I really tried. I think I tried. So this time, let's hope it goes better. Guys, buy me makeup. One of my friends, you be looking for businesses, go and start makeup business. Like makeup, I mean like makeup products that beginners can use, that us who don't do makeup can use, because these things that you blend, that what, not all of us get it. So please, pretty please, start something for us who don't know. Because guys, if I look bad, don't comment, just look on. Anyway, I've been trying to watch like makeup vids to help, but I think oh, by the way, most of the YouTubers I watch have been into like learning to do their own makeup. Okay, some of them, because most of them no. So there's this lady called Nakena Walker. I love her. If you know me, like if you're really close to me, you know I remember watching her. So she's called Nakena Walker. She's a mom. She's a really young mom. I think she's 23 with 3 sons. Yeah, you guys should go and watch her page. I'm going to put it here. Anyway, yeah. So she recently started her, should I say, makeup journey. You guys, I look orange. Is that normal? I'm trying to blend it out now. If you were here in my first video when I did my makeup, I said if you're a makeup artist, please don't come commenting, because I know there are so many things I'm not supposed to be doing, but we shall get there. With time, we shall get there. I've said please start like makeup lines that beginners can use. Like you just need like one kathingi and done. Guys, I see my skin difference. I'm really trying to blend it, mama. Okay, maybe I could use a little more foundation like on my neck, because what is that? And if you see me in public, please don't say anything. I'm trying my hardest. Hopefully I don't have any nip slips, because I'm in a towel. It don't look bad to me. I don't know, I really don't know, but don't look that bad. I think I shouldn't have. Guys, I'm regretting this slowly. Woo! I'm going to be watching this back and wanting to cry, but anyway, is that my brush? I don't know if there's a difference. Anyway, let's do some. I really don't use a lot. I really don't use a lot. Is it because I don't know? Yes, that too. I don't know what people be using, so what I assume is what I use. I'm going to try and speed it up somewhere in the vlog because you all can't keep watching me embarrassing myself. And you're just laughing. I'm sure some makeup artist is watching this.
I'm freaking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. No fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my eyes. My set, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find her. It's a bad vibe. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not depend on me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. But there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You have to make it. Vibe killer. Me I no go take shit. Vibe killer.
Giving glazed donuts. I think I'm good to go for the next. Because I don't have an eyebrow guy. That one. An eyebrow brush. Can I use mascara? Worked for me.
My mind. My mind. I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 on my yearnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Starting to be on my lane. My mind, running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life. Then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right yet, I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mind now. I need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need to free mind now. I really need mind now. Oh, yeah. If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, style, jewelry, all these things I've got, I wonder, would you still want me?
When I refuse to settle, but this is it. I am the definition of alert and ashamed. My baby is so cute. He gave me flowers. I'm so happy, you guys. Anyway, I'm waiting for my Uber and we go.
Monday to Saturday. Kasaziwera sawa 12 oba tosasula. Of course, kasaziwera sawa 12. Tebakkiriza kuteeka mu
and may the Lord bless you, Johnny Peter. Going forward. Thank you.
Our guests, we want to thank you so much for honoring the invitation. Thank you so much for honoring the invitation.
Another woman.
And I always try to follow up. And I hope to visit again this time and bring big hugs and global gifts. And wishing you the best.
would like to ask my friends for a moment, my friends discussion next, so please stand up. Please stand up for recognition. My friends for me. And then, I would also like to take this moment also to appreciate my friends, let me say, outside the school, because most of them, Bella, Angel, and Daphne, I don't know if Angel and Daphne are still around. Those are apparently, I moved on to
on education and in life. Congratulations, Peter.
I ain't got a clue, bro. I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't.
Good morning. I had fun on my birthday. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for the wishes. I stopped vlogging because people surprised me and I forgot I was supposed to be vlogging, but I slept at Forest Cottages and yeah, I went for breakfast, so see you when I get there.
Yeah. My mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I mean, my mind, it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up, I've been fighting to be on my feet.
Thank you guys so much. So overwhelmed. I'm not the person that usually celebrates, as I said before. I think I said it, but from this year I'm very grateful. I'm really grateful for my friends, my family, my boyfriend, yeah. And yeah, let's see how the rest of the day goes. Today is Sunday. Probably going to have breakfast, then what? Then go home because tomorrow I have to work. So yeah.
If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love.